Just got this book in the mail today, and prior to purchasing this book, I have attempted to find videos that give you more detail on the pages inside, and I haven't found any, so I'm making this myself. These are the animals. And inside this book, we have 3 parts: extinct animals of 2,000 years or more, recently extinct animals, part 2. Part 3 would be animals on the brink of extinction. And part 4 are cryptozoology, mysterious and legendary animals. And here are what some of the pages look like. So the first animal would be the short-faced bear. You have your facts about the animal. You draw the enemies, food, and babies. You can read a book or watch a video and write 3 interesting things you learned. You can draw a scene, take some notes, trace and color, write a story, and then you have some research questions about this specific animal. Draw the habitat. And this is one of my favorite pages. It's a map, and it asks what animal you are learning about. With this one, it would be the short-faced bear, and you will color and list the parts of the world where the animal once lived. Then you can dig deeper, and you can even make a comic strip. And then you have a new animal. And some of these sections have vocabulary building, where you find words and you put the words and their definitions down. So there are multiple types of animals to learn about. So I hope this video has helped give you some more insight to what this book has to offer.